Understanding API connection errors.
API connection errors occur when software fails to successfully communicate with a remote service. These errors can be caused by network issues, incorrect credentials, server downtime, or misconfigured endpoints. Recognizing what API connection errors look like, such as timeouts, error codes, or failed requests, is the crucial first step towards troubleshooting and resolving the problem.
Check your network and internet access.
Begin by ensuring that your device or server is connected to the internet. Try accessing other websites or services to confirm your connection. If the internet is working, determine if your firewall or proxy settings may be blocking the API. Resolving network issues early helps eliminate basic problems before moving to more complex troubleshooting.
Verify API Endpoint and URL.
A common source of errors is an incorrect API endpoint or URL. Double-check that you're using the right domain, protocol, and path specified by the API documentation. Even a small typo, missing slash, or wrong environment, such as using a live endpoint instead of a test one, can cause connection failures.
Inspect authentication and headers.
APIs often require authentication, like API keys or OAuth tokens. Confirm your credentials are valid and included in your request headers as required. Make sure headers such as content type are set correctly. Invalid credentials or missing headers are frequent causes of connection errors.
Review HTTP methods and payloads.
Many APIs expect specific HTTP methods like GET or POST, along with properly formatted data in the request body or parameters. If you use the wrong method or send malformed data, the API may refuse the connection. Check the API's documentation for the exact requirements for each request.
Use debugging tools and logs.
So, debugging tools such as curl, Postman, or built-in language libraries can help test API requests in isolation. Review any error messages or codes returned by the API. Enable and read your application's debug logs to trace where and why the connection failed. Detailed logs often provide clues to resolve the issue.
Contact support or check API status.
If all troubleshooting steps fail, consult the API provider's status page for outages or maintenance updates. Review community forums for similar issues. If necessary, reach out to the provider's technical support, supplying error logs and request details to get more specific help in resolving the connection problem.